Today I'll be showing you how easy you can make sausage carbonara at home with minimum effort. And for more simple recipes like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In order to be efficient, make sure you get a pot of water straight away on a heat with some salt in it, and after that you can move on to the ingredients for this pasta recipe. While we are bringing the water to the boil, we're gonna prepare the sausage meatballs, and these are so easy to make since we are using fresh sausages, and you don't really need to do much with this meat since it's ready seasoned, but you can add some salt and pepper if you want to. This is not gonna do any harm, but just remove the skin and form it into meatballs. Make sure you don't go too big, not just because they look better, but are easier to eat. And once you're done rolling, set the pan on medium-high heat and add about 1 tablespoon of veg oil and transfer all the sausage meatballs into the pan. While you're cooking the sausage meatballs for about 5 minutes or until they get nice and golden brown in color, we're gonna make the sauce. For a portion of pasta, my sauce contains 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, together with about 15 to 20 grams of grated parmesan, a pinch of salt, and a good pinch of black pepper. If adding a touch of cream to this recipe cross your mind, you can definitely do so, there is no right or wrong. Same with the chives, these are kind of optional, or you can replace them with parsley if you want to, but they look nice in contrast with the pasta. The water should be boiling by now, and since I'm using fresh pasta, this is not taking long to cook. Just make sure before you remove the pasta from the heat, you take a few ladles of water. With the meatballs nice and golden brown in color and the pasta cooked al dente, we're gonna combine the two together. And here is where you need about 50 milliliters of that pasta water. Just add it over the tagliatelle and let it cook for another minute or two. This also helps deglazing the pan and all that flavor will be absorbed by the pasta. At this point you wanna turn off the heat and add the egg sauce that we prepared earlier. Mix everything together and make sure you don't overcook it cause you'll turn it into scrambled eggs, and if you need to adjust the sauce, add some more of that pasta water. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check the video that's on the screen right now, how to make spaghetti carbonara in 2 simple ways.